Hi, my name's Alexis, and I'm a licensed physical therapist. I currently manage a couple rehab hospitals in Texas through HCA, and I've struggled with anxiety for the last 3 years. I always used to think of myself as able to cope with stress and anxiety through DPT school and just through life challenges. And then all of a sudden, 3 years ago, my anxiety just kind of skyrocketed and sent me into some panic attacks, just things I wasn't really familiar with. I had gone through some life changes, both personally and professionally, and I just wasn't managing my stress and my anxiety well, and I wasn't coping kind of with adversity. And so I had trialed and errored a bunch of different things and was trying to just manage it in, the best way possible. And I eventually did a workshop, the Inner Wild workshop with Alice, for a couple days, and I really liked the somatic experience work that we were doing. It wasn't something that I was familiar with, but it was something that kind of resonated with me and got me thinking about things and not even thinking, but just really in my body in a different way than I ever had been. And so then I signed up for the 4 week Sober and Calm course, and I absolutely loved that. I started to identify different tools and resources that I didn't even know were there that were really helping me kind of cope with stress and anxiety. And after that 4 week course, I decided to do some one on one work and did 3 months of one on one work with Alice, which was super helpful. I think the most that I really got out of it was just recognizing that there's a different baseline for me to live in. I had just been so go, go, go all the time with my new job and wasn't able to kind of slow things down. I felt overwhelmed often. And anytime, things were stressful or kind of got a little heavy for me, it would send me into those kind of panic attacks. And so this was just a way for me to kind of slow down my nervous system and really identify different resources that would work for me. It kind of brought me to a more calm and organized, grounded state. And then I was able to identify and work and live in that state more easily when stressful things and stressful events did come on. It was 100% a great investment for me. I'm going to continue to do one on one work with her. I think it's investing in my future as a wife, as a mother, as a woman in the workplace, as a boss. And so that investment to me is forever. And so starting to really learn during this crucial time, as a woman in my 30s was just super beneficial. And I think, one of the best things that I'll take away is that I'm an overthinker. And so I don't always have to answer the reason why or think about everything. I can just stop and work through things in a completely different way than I ever thought possible. That's just healthier for my nervous system and just feels right and feels that sense of inner peace and harmony and balance that I'm always looking for. I think that we all are kind of looking for in life. So it was 100% worth the investment, and I look forward to continuing to work with Alex.